The sound of the propellers grew louder as N walked towards his private helicopter, leaving his private mansion with V close behind, overseeing the perimeter and talking to the servants to update them. They were heading to their friends J and J2's country mansion for 3 days, all to catch up on Tessa's disappearance. Well, I think that's everything. Do you need anything else, N? V asked as they stood by the helicopter entrance next to N.
Is everything secure with the servants? What about Sin?
Yes, everything's in good hands. I left Sin at her mansion. I asked if she could organize a banquet to celebrate if we returned with good news. How does that sound? A nice gesture for our friends, as a thank you, we could say?
That sounds like a good idea. Let's go, or Jay will give us a lecture.
N said, jumping into the helicopter and extending a hand to help V aboard. I didn't know you'd be so chivalrous with me. You've been like that lately, V said, resting her head on his shoulder as they took off.
It's called manners, V. As my childhood friend, you deserve a higher place than others.
Well, what's gone into you? You flatter me. Who'd have thought that a crybaby would turn into a fine man? I like it, V said, biting her lip with a mischievous smile.
Don't get any idea. You have to behave too. We have a protocol to follow.
Calm down, I'm just teasing you, V said, returning to her seat while checking the hidden cameras in the mansion for the third time. Only she, Sin, and N knew about them. They continued their journey in silence, both occupied with duties and occasional business calls. I can't believe they actually found evidence about Tessa's disappearance. Aren't you excited? Hey, it's okay. I'm here for you. I'm glad you let me go inside the mansion with you this time. I know you don't talk a lot, but geez, show some emotion.
There is nothing to say.
Welcome back, Mr. N and Miss V, to our majestic diamond mansion.
Yeah. Have our stuff in our room immediately and prepare our schedule for tomorrow now.
My question is why arrive on a helicopter if you guys can fly? But whatever. Hurry up, my brother's waiting. I'm glad you haven't forgotten your manners, N. Good boy.
I still believe greeting you like this feels odd, specifically when we're the same age.
Yeah, but I'm richer.
And I'm taller.
Guys, please.
Jokes aside, this is important. My spy found evidence that doesn't match up with your timeline. I'll give you everything I've got, but let's have dinner for now. I know you guys must be starving.
So noisy.
Jay, I don't mean to bother, but we have detected large amounts of radiation around the mansion.
Is there a problem, Jay?
We have dangerous levels of radiation around the mansion. Maybe if J2 checked better, we wouldn't have this problem.
What? It's not my fault. You wanted to focus on the stupid dinner first.
Don't worry, let us handle this.
What in the...
V, quick, take J2 to the safe place now. V.
Jay, no, why?
What just happened? No.
Found you.